friends, today I will show you how to make a flying fan. So it's so easy and I'm showing you how to make it, and I will show you how this flies. So first you have to hold this and keep it up from the floor and just drop it and it will come like on the floor. I will show you it again. First you have to hold it like this, and then so let's see how to make this fan. First we will make a 9 centimeter line like this. It should be of 9 centimeter. First we will make a 9 centimeter line like this, and then it should be 2.5 meter wide like that. So then you have to make like this 2 times. So it will be like this. You have to do the same thing from here. So you will take this, keep it here and draw it. So now it will look like this. Then you have to draw same thing, but it should be small. Then you will take the ruler and draw a flap here. So it's a flap from which you will fold it. As you can see here, it's a flap. Then you will draw a 5 centimeter line like that. You have to do the same thing, but this time you have to do it from here. You have to draw 1 centimeter lines like this. So then you have to cut this whole thing. When you will cut it, it will look like this. Then you will cut it from the center. Now it's like this. Then this flap, you will fold it. You have to fold only this one from in the front. You have to fold it in the front, and then you have to fold this one at the back like this. Then you will cut this, only this one like there, and then turn it at the back. Then you will cut this one also, and then flip it at the back. So if you want, you can glue it, or as you can see, I have made this one. You can put a book clip. then you can open it. You don't need to glue it, but you can open it and then put a paper clip at the bottom like that. You have to put a paper clip at the back. Now when you will try it, it will fly. So let me show you. See. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.